1. Green tea. Green tea is renowned for its weight loss benefits due to its high concentration of antioxidants, particularly catechins, which boost metabolism and fat oxidation. Epigallocatechin gallate egg, a compound in green tea, helps in increasing the amount of fat burned during exercise. Consuming green tea regularly can enhance the fat-burning process, especially around the abdominal area. Drinking a cup before a workout can amplify fat burn during exercise. Additionally, green tea contains a moderate amount of caffeine, which can help you feel more energetic and burn more calories. Combined with a healthy diet, green tea can be a powerful ally in shedding belly fat. 2. Lemon water. Lemon water is a refreshing and low-calorie drink that can help speed up fat loss. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants, which improve digestion and detoxify the liver, an organ essential for fat metabolism. The acid in lemon helps the body absorb calcium more effectively, which, in turn, assists in fat burning. Drinking a glass of warm lemon water in the morning helps kickstart the metabolism and promotes hydration. Proper hydration aids in digestion and can reduce water retention, contributing to a flatter belly. For added benefits, you can mix lemon with honey or ginger, both of which have fat-burning properties. 3. Apple cider vinegar drink. Apple cider vinegar ACV is known for its weight loss properties, especially in reducing belly fat. ACV contains acetic acid, which has been shown to help reduce abdominal fat by boosting fat metabolism and decreasing insulin levels. Lower insulin levels mean less fat storage, particularly around the belly. To prepare an ACV drink, dilute 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. Drinking this before meals may help you feel fuller, reducing the likelihood of overeating. However, it's important to consume ACV in moderation to avoid digestive discomfort and erosion of tooth enamel. 4. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is another excellent beverage for weight loss and fat reduction, particularly around the stomach area. Ginger aids digestion by speeding up the passage of food through the digestive tract and boosting metabolism. It also has thermogenic properties, meaning it raises body temperature, which can help burn more calories. Ginger also reduces feelings of hunger and suppresses the appetite, which may help you consume fewer calories. Drinking ginger tea regularly can help alleviate bloating, contributing to a flatter stomach. A simple way to prepare it is by boiling fresh ginger in water and adding a touch of lemon or honey. Conclusion: incorporating these drinks into your daily routine can complement your efforts to lose belly fat and speed up fat loss. However, these beverages work best when combined with a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Remember, fat loss is a gradual process, and no drink alone will lead to drastic changes without a holistic approach.